Today, I'm going on a run and I'm meeting my friend Tiago. I'm going to show him a few bits and bobs. I don't know where we're going yet. This is a bit of a surprise, but I'm going to show him some of my running techniques, some stretching, and also a handstand. Let's go. So we've got the essentials. We've got my shorts, so I'm going to change. Water to keep myself hydrated, my running trainers, a tripod to do some filming, and my keys so I don't get locked in out of the house. It's all ready. Let's go. I'm on my way to meet Tiago now. Yeah, see you in a couple minutes. Hello guys, so here with my friend Tiago. We're going for a run, and I'm sure this will be a good one, so let's go.
Exactly, let's do this. This shit look easy.
See all the bunkers from down there. What a view.
Yeah, the bunkers on there.
Let's go explore this out. We're here. Check this bunker out. Oh damn it! Very rocky here, man. Whoa, what's up? What are you doing down there, man? Going quite slow today. Going quite slow.
I know.
What's going on?
Yeah, I know. It's tired today.
Such a beautiful day today in Jersey. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. Right, I'm gonna show you a good view, guys. Absolutely great. Right, we're here on the edge. Look at that. Gorgeous, isn't it? This is the island of Jersey. If you guys want to come here to Jersey, come on guys. Just from UK, come. It's beautiful. There's so much to explore.
I'm out here chilling, man.
Oh, I can see that, man.
Yeah.
Look where he's at. Jeez! Well, I definitely don't like that because I'm scared of heights. But yeah, it is what it is.
So, oops. So that's pretty much the end of the video. How was the run, man?
Man, it was good.
Yeah?
Especially with the weather like this. It's so amazing, isn't it?
Definitely. It's about time, like, we can take this off, actually.
You did. You had a fucking vest? Weight vest on?
Yes, I had
Nah,
a weight vest on. Literally had a weight vest on.
Nah, it can't be. The whole time.
The whole time I was running, I had this on.
Are you serious?
Yep, I was serious. I was
Is
running.
that why you're going so slow?
Yeah,
Bloody
that was
hell.
literally the whole reason why I was going so slow.
That's mad. Oh mate, here's what it is. This is the video.
Yeah. Right, have a good one, guys.